Okay, welcome back to Algebra class. Today I'll be going live and I'll be teaching some basic mathematics. So if you are just joining me, you can easily subscribe to my channel. You can easily subscribe to my channel if this is your first time of joining me. Now, if you look at this first question given to you here, I'm just trying to set up my channel. Okay, now, looking at this first question here, you want to find the square root. So if you have any question, you can easily ask in the comment section. So here we want to find the square root of 23. To find the square root of 23 can be a little bit not easy. Just like we have something we call the perfect squares. Yeah, we have some numbers, we call them the perfect squares. You know, when you talk about perfect squares, from 1 to 100, we have 4 for perfect squares. You can just put it in the comment section, please. Let me know. So we have 4, we have 9, we have 16, 25, we have 25, we have 36, we have 49. So many numbers. We have 64. We have 64. We have 81. We have 100. Yes. These are the basic prime numbers from 1 to 100. Even I can even include 1 if I want. Yeah, I can include 1. So now, if you look at this, these are the perfect squares. Please, if you are just joining me, I will always go online every day. So just click on this live section. When you have 23, we have this perfect squares. If you want to do this, it can be a little bit difficult to do. So you will look for the nearest perfect square to 23. And the nearest perfect square is 25, as you can see here. This is the nearest perfect square. So you can rewrite 23 as 25 minus 2. You can write it as 25 minus 2. Now, after writing as 25 minus 2, what else can we do? How can we simplify this? And recall from the rule of indices is that when you have square root of a minus b, it is never equals to the square root of a minus square root of b. This is never equal. It is never equal. So we can separate these two. So the method you're going to use, I think you know this perfect square already, so I can easily clean this perfect square, right? So now, to do this, there's a technique I'm going to use. What is the square root of 25? The square root of 25 is 5. Please, let's make this very interactive. I'll be reading your chat, your comment in the, your comment in the chat button. You can just make it interactive. If you are just joining me, just click on the subscribe button. Yeah, click on the subscribe button. Now, the square root of 25 is 5 minus these 2 divided by 5 times 2 is 10. Can you see that? 5 times 2 is 10. So now, simplifying this further, you have 5 minus 2 over 10 is what? 0.2. 5 minus 0.2 is going to give you what? 4.8. So that is, if you find the square root of 23, approximately is going to be 4.8. You can put it in the, in your calculator to confirm this. If you have done that, you can let me know in the comment section. Yeah. If you got approximately 4.8, put it in the comment section. Don't forget to click the like button and the subscribe button. This is very important. It's very important, please. Yeah. Now, let's do the second one. Square root of 11. 11 is not a perfect square. How can you get the square root of 11? Easily. How can we get the square root of 11? I'm going to use the same technique. Yeah. What is the perfect square that is closer to 11? What is the nearest perfect square that is closer to 11? Can you put that in the comment section? The closest perfect square to 11 is what? Let me see. I'm going to check your comments. I'm going to check your comments. Deborah said 5. No. Deborah, thank you for subscribing. Yeah, it's not 5. Okay, let me write the perfect square at the top. These are the perfect squares. The perfect squares are, you start with 1, we have 4, we have 9, we have 16, we have 25, we have 36, we have 49, we have 64, we have 81, and we have 100. Perfect. Yeah, thank you, Deborah. 9. And Sam Reed also said 9. Thank you. Yeah, so we have 9. So to make 11, we have 9 plus 2. 9 plus 2. This is going to give you 11. Then we're going to use the same approach we used there. The square root of 9 is what? 3. Plus 2. Look at this 2. Anything you have here divided by 3 times 2 is what? 6. 6. So here we have 3 plus 2 divided by 6 is the same thing as saying 1 over 3. Right? So we have 3 plus approximately 1 over 3 is 0.333 approximately. So this is going to be approximately equals to 3.33 approximately. So that means if you don't have, what's it called? If you don't have the perfect square, five minutes to do this. Okay. Anyone? Anyone? Yeah. I'm back. Okay, now let's continue with this. Let's continue. So here, in this, for 17, you can see that the closest perfect square is 16. That is the closest, which is 16 plus 1, right? So the square root of 16 is 4. Plus 1 divided by what? 4 times 1 is 4. So here we have 4 plus 1 over 4 is 0.25. So this should be approximately 4.25. Confirm this using the calculator before we proceed with another question. If you have confirmed this, say yes in the comment section so that I can proceed. Just let me see your yes in the comment section so that I can proceed. Just type yes in the comment section. Yeah, if you like the stream, you can just help me share it to your WhatsApp or your Facebook so that more people can join me. So here now I'm going to be teaching algebra. If you like the stream, please, you can just share this so that more people can join. So I'm going to be teaching algebra right now. Algebra. 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 Okay, now the first thing I'll be teaching on algebra. I know a lot of students really want to know much about this topic called algebra. A lot of students want to know about this. So, the first thing I will be teaching is how to distribute, or you can call it expansion. For example, I have this example. Here we have 3 into parentheses y plus 2 minus 2 into parentheses y minus 5. How do we do this? Yeah, let me change the pen. Doing this because you have to understand this basis of algebra. If you understand the basis, then the complicated part of it is going to be simple. You see, when you have this thing called bracket, in some part of the world they call this bracket, in some other part they call it parentheses. If you have parentheses or you have bracket, if you want to do this, for those of you just joining me, please just click on the subscribe button and comment your thoughts. You multiply this 3 by x by y. This is the first thing. What you have outside will be multiplied with what you have inside the bracket. So 3 times y is going to give you 3y. What makes this thing to be algebra is you have the letters, which is the unknown, and you have the numbers. So you want to see the multiple of the 2 or the addition of the 2 between the numbers and the variable. So now, here we have 3 times y, 3y. The sign here is plus. You can see 3 times 2 is what? 6. So what I'm trying to do is to multiply out. So the first is 3 times y, 3y. 3 times 2 is 6. You continue with negative sign. Yes, before I proceed with this, let me say this. This thing is very common, and I think I have to say this. When you have, let me put it here, negative times negative, it is positive. That is, there's this popular saying that 2 wrongs cannot make a right. But in mathematics, multiplication of 2 wrongs will be right. So, negative plus positive times positive is positive. Negative times positive is negative. And positive times negative is negative. What I'm trying to say here is that if 2 signs are the same, negative, negative, they are the same, right? If 2 signs are the same, their multiplication is going to be positive. Negative and negative, positive and positive, they are going to be positive. But if the signs are different and they are multiplying one another, the sign is going to be negative. So our objective is that, are they the same sign? Yes. If not, no. You're going to have negative. If you are just joining me, just click on the subscribe button so that you can see me live every day. Yes. So you can see me live this time every day. And click on the like button, please. When you click on the like button, YouTube suggests it to more people. Just click on the like button. Thank you. Now, we are doing the same thing. 2 multiplied by y. You can see this negative side. So we have this negative sign outside. We have 2y. Now also, 2 multiplying negative 5. But before you multiply your 2 by 5, 2 times 5 is 10. The sign needs to be considered. We have negative sign multiplying another negative sign. Can you see? Negative multiplying another negative, you have positive. If you have any question or clarification, please ask in the comment section. Now you've done this, good. Next is what? Collect like terms. Collect like terms. Deborah, are you still online? What do I mean by collect like terms? You can see here that I'm having 3y, 2y. Take them together. So here we have 3y minus 2y. These are the like terms. They are the same. And here I'm having 6. This does not have any variable, and I'm having plus 10. I'm going to take them together. Can you see that? Now, what is 3y minus 2y? 3y minus 2y. 3y minus 2y. What would that give you? Okay, what would that give you? 3y minus 2y will give you y. And 6 plus 10 will give you what? 16. So here we have y plus 16. Can you see? So this is what we've got. I want you to check this. And if you have some questions you want to ask me, I want you to ask. Do you click on the subscribe button? Click on the subscribe button, please. Now, I'm going to clean this and I'll move to another set of questions. Just let's retain this. Now, let's clean this. And I'm going to ask another simple question in which I want you to do this. Now, do this. And don't worry. We have 2x into parentheses 4 minus, or don't worry, let me just remove this. 2 multiplied by 4 minus 2x plus 3x multiplied by 2. Do this. Let me give you a few minutes to do this, maybe like 4 or 5 minutes to do this. Oh, no, I'm not from India. I'm from Nigeria. Yeah. Do you click on the like button? Thank you. I don't know how to pronounce your name. Raza Kantanayak. Just click on the, let me share this video, click on the like button and the subscribe button. Yeah, let me give you 3 minutes. Do this and put the answer in the comment section, please. Do this, put the answer in the comment section. Do this and let's see. I'm going to give you, we have 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes, 2 more minutes. We've gotten 2 more minutes to do this. Then I'm going to do the correction on the board. Two more minutes. So you have this sign over here to do it. The negative gives positive, positive gives positive sign. Yeah, this is just like, let me say, grade 7, grade 8 mathematics. Grade 7, grade 8 mathematics. So if you are just joining us, just click on the subscribe button. If you're just joining us, click on the subscribe button. Okay, I'm going to do the correction right now. Just stay with me. Yeah. No one has done it. Now, let's do the corrections together. So here we have 2 multiplied by 4 gives 8. 2 multiplied by 2x. Take note of the sign. I'm using negative here because we assume this is positive. And positive times negative is automatically negative. So 2 times 2x will give 4x. It will give 4x. Okay? Plus 3x times 2. Just multiply the coefficient, which is 6x. Now, I have 8. What can you say about this? Negative 4x plus 6x is going to give you what? Negative 4x plus 6x. I want somebody to answer this in the comment section. Negative 4x plus 6x is going to be what? Let me wait. Still have some people online? Yeah. Negative 4x plus 6x is going to give you what? Okay, negative 2x. So this is what you can do. If you want to simplify further, you can just factor out 2. Yes, you can just say maybe you have 2, you have 4 minus x. This is what you can do. Yes. Now let's move to algebraic equation. We are going further and we are going a little bit higher and then tougher. Okay, let me clean this. If you have any question, let me wait for a minute so that you can ask your question. For those just joining us, if you have questions, you can ask. Now, let's do algebra. Algebraic equation. Doing algebraic equation here, we have 3 into parentheses, x minus 2 equals to 2x plus 5. This is what we've got. You can see the difference here is that we are having the equation sign. We have the parentheses, the bracket, we have the equation. What do we do? What is the first thing for us to do? What is the first thing we're going to do? So the first thing you're going to do here right now is simplify these brackets. Simplify these parentheses. So let me just wait for a few minutes and see if there's anybody that can try this. Let me see if there's anybody that can try this. What do you think we're going to do if you have this kind of problem? We have 3x minus into in parentheses minus 2 equals to 2x plus 5. What is the first thing to do? If you're just joining us, just click on the like button. Yeah, it's very important for me. Click on the like button and share this. Okay, now the first thing you're going to do here is multiply your 3 by x. Yeah, Luca, thank you. So 3 times x is I hope you have subscribed, Luca. 3 times x is 3x minus 3 times negative 2, which is what? Negative 6. Yes, 3 times negative 2 gives negative 6. And here on the right side, we have 2x plus 5. Now, this is very important. You are having equation, and you have the unknown on the right side, unknown on the left side. What do? Collect like terms. Collect like terms. And collecting like terms here, anytime you want to move any value here to this left side, the sign is going to change. If you want to move it to this side, your sign is going to change. Your sign is going to change. So here we have 3x. So if you want to move 2x to this left side, it's going to be negative 2x. You can see the sign changes from positive to negative. Equal to, here we have 5. If minus 6 is going to the other side, you're going to have what? Plus 6. Now, what is 3x minus 2x? Just subtract the coefficient, which is x. 5 plus 6 is what? 11. So this is what we've done. This is what we've done. So we have x equals to 11. You can see how I simplify this. You can see how we simplify this. Questions? Questions. Thank you for liking. Thank you for sharing. Yeah. Just joining us, click on the subscribe button. This is what we've gotten. Now, I have another question. Let me clean this. It's still on the algebraic equation. Here we have 2y minus 3 plus y equals to 3 into parentheses 2y plus 4 minus 2y. I want you to do this in 5 minutes. Anybody that do this, okay, I can even invite you to my next live video. Yes. Let's see the first person to do this, right? Let's see if you can do this right. So you have 5 minutes. I'm going to check in the next 5. Just put your answer in the comment section if you can do this in 5 minutes. If you can do this in 5 minutes, put the answer in the comment section. Okay, I'm still waiting. Luca, you still online? Let's see. For those of you online, just try this in 5 minutes. Okay, let's see. Negative 18, just fortnight. Luca, negative 18. Okay, Let's confirm this if this is true. Now, let me do this. 2 multiplied by y, we have 2y. 2 multiplied by negative 3 gives negative 6 plus y equals 3 multiplied by 2y gives 6y. 3 multiplied by 4 gives 12 minus 2y. The next thing is to collect the like terms. Let's collect the like terms together. The y's together, the x separate. So here I have 2y plus y. Done. Remember, in the previous example, I told you if you are moving anything from the right side to the left side, the sign is going to change. Minus 6y. If this is coming here, it's going to be plus 2y. The sign is going to change. So you are not moving this, it's going to be 12. And we want to move this because it is not a like terms. It's going to be plus 6. 2y plus y plus this gives 5y minus 6y equals to 18. So here we have negative y to be 18 and y is negative 18. Woo! That makes sense. Yeah. Thank you, Just Fortnite and Luca. You did a great job. Y equals to negative 18. And one thing about this, for you to know if what you've done is right, you can just plug in into the given equation. You're going to see that the left side and the right side are going to be the same. Yeah. Good. I think we are making good progress with this. Next, I'm going to teach you algebraic fraction. Algebraic fraction. Algebraic fraction. Now, in that, we have 2 into parentheses y minus 2 over 3 equals to 2 into bracket 3 minus 2y over 2. Don't even let me use over 2. Let's use over 4. Over 5. Let me give you some minutes. Do this. Actually, I haven't teach you in 5 minutes. Let's see if you can do this in 5 minutes. Let's see if you can do this in 5 minutes. Okay, let's see if you can do this in 5 minutes. If you're just joining us, just make sure you subscribe so that you can see our live section. Okay, waiting. Anyone? Anyone? Okay, let's end this.